This video covers the highlights of how to use Lumen's Control Center Help Search menu found at www.lumen.com/help/en-us/portals.html. Control Center is the hub for Lumen's national services and ordering, where our customers can manage their services and accounts. It provides an extensive set of features such as billing, ticketing, change management, user management, reporting and monitoring tools, ordering or order status, and more. Now that you know more about Control Center, here is what it is that you need to know about the Control Center Help menu. Think of it as Lumen's version of Google for Control Center, or our wiki, or even better, a library of details around Control Center. Let's check out the Control Center Help menu in action. One of our popular searches is, how do I get access to Control Center? There is a search for this, and it will give you all the information you need to obtain access to Control Center. Let us explain the search results screen. You will see on the left-hand side the library of items and the count of articles around the items. Click on the topic you are interested in, and you will see more information to help you get to the article that most matches your keyword search. On the right-hand side, you will see the top topics our keyword search has filtered for you. A second popular search is around how to do an order, so let's do a quick search on that topic to see it in action. The response from the above search will provide this link. Once your quote is created, you can then search on placing an order using a quote. It is that simple. From there, you just keep building on what you need next. Using Control Center Help menu is a tool to add to your Lumen tool belt, and we encourage you to use it as often as you need. If you need more detailed assistance, ask your wholesale account team for help. Thank you for partnering with Lumen. We value your business.